Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will discuss what is compound sentence. As we know that sentences can be divided into two major classes, that is a group or division of sentences on the basis of its structure, and the types of sentences on the basis of its function. So the sentences on the basis of its structure can be simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. In this video, we will discuss what is compound sentence. A compound sentence can be defined as a sentence that has two or more main clauses, or we can say a sentence in which the clauses are joined together by coordinate conjunctions is called a compound sentence. So we mean by these definitions that a compound sentence is a sentence in which there will be two main clauses, there will be two independent clauses. What does that mean? It means that when we separate the clauses from one another, and we write it down separately, they will give us a complete thought on its own. It means that they will give us a simple sentence on its own. So if we have a sentence in which there are two or more such clauses, those clauses that can give us complete meaning outside the sentence, then such sentence will be a compound sentence. Or we can say that the sentence in which the clauses are connected to one another by coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunctions are for, and, but, nor, are, yet, and so. If we have a sentence in which the clauses are joined to one another by these conjunctions, we also call it a compound sentence. For example, the building is too small and it is very expensive. Now if we apply this definition, we see that we have a coordinate conjunction and between the clauses. The clauses are joined to one another by the coordinate conjunctions, so it is a compound sentence. Or if we apply the first definition, we see that the building is too small, that is one clause. It is very expensive, that is another clause. Now both these clauses are main clauses, because if we separate these clauses, we see the building is too small. It is giving us a complete sense or a complete thought. And it is very expensive. It is also a main clause. It is also giving us a complete thought. So we can say that a compound sentence is a sentence in which there are two or more main clauses. A compound sentence is a sentence in which the clauses are joined together by coordinate conjunctions. That's all.